good, kings and queens? It's your girl, Lovable Queen, and I am back with another freaking video. So you guys, this is day 5, I believe, and today we are going on a boat and going to an island. Where are we going?
Isla Mahena.
We going island. Isla Mahena.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna Mahenas.
You can put your stuff here on the bench.
We're about to take a little pic. This kind of scary.
I see my picture already.
Yeah. Oh, so start to the vlog. It's so hot. Mamacita. No. Mamacita. I don't know what this is. They gave us this, y'all. Tastes like it's gonna make me boo-boo.
Vámonos. Vámonos, Maikía. Mama. Is it cold? Yeah. You're fine.
That was great. I didn't take my camera because there's a lot of waves, y'all. I thought I was going to lose my phone, so I'm going to take it. This is exciting. There was peace signs under the water. It's called like the blessings area. When I get the pictures, I'm going to upload them in here. This alcohol? Yeah. How dare? I tried to swim. All of the water went down my tube. I said, oh. Y'all, it's getting real wavy out here now. Very wavy. People throwing up. It's getting very wavy. Like that.
Women's Island. Okay? Esta isla es un lugar muy bonito, muy turístico. Estamos en la parte más este de México.
You guys, we are arriving at the island. Island Mahana. Mahana. It's so beautiful. Y'all, we have made it to the island. Mahenas. I thought she said it was a K.
She said an H.
Oh, Mahenas. It's so hot, y'all. Everybody was like, 2 people was up on the boat ride. And TT
I don't have a car.
was even feeling, she was even feeling sick too. But she made it through with no incident. We have to do this. The fish tank. That's what they was telling us about. This, what's $180 in our money? How much is this in US?
$100 for you. Come on, let's get it. This is $9.
$9?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because remember my 200 was $9. I got $9 coupon.
Oh, you got your money thing.
Oh, but that's only 200.
You said coupon.
I had to think about it. I had to think about it.
Y'all, I got bit up, so I need some bug bite. Like that. Oh, is this cortisone? You better try tequila.
Tiny. Tiny. If you don't like it, no problem. For you?
Sure.
It's pink.
Oh, coconut? I'm okay.
Banana. Tequila.
I don't like coconut.
Plain tequila.
Okay.
Plain. No flavor.
Plain tequila. Strong. Here. It's very strong. We trying to avoid everybody. They so mean.
That's what he said.
Hey amigos, now it's my turn. You come in my shop, I give you an free shot tequila. It's 1945.
I got this, y'all. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? It's so pretty. You gonna get it?
Yeah, I should have got an 18.
Should took cash.
I took cash.
Oh, of course.
How much is this? These ones are $25.
Yeah. Y'all, I don't think I understand how hot it is, and with these masks on, it's like you're suffocating. I am drenched in sweat, if y'all can't tell. Literally dripping. And it is ridiculous. What's our here? Those are beautiful. Y'all, they done got us. I got glasses. My sister got a cover up. My mom got 2 hats. And I got a fan. And we still going. No, thank you. Everybody's trying to get us with a shot of tequila. They got all these scooters lined up. 99%. Wow. Got it again.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Look at her.
You like this one or the other one?
I don't know. I'm so confused. I don't know what
This one's a lot more dressier.
Yeah. Another one's simpler.
Yeah.
Should I do this or a color though?
We got that color. Look at the color we got.
Oh.
We got white and black, turquoise and gold, red, gold.
The turquoise might be pretty. I like this though.
Tell me.
Okay, I like this one.
Yeah.
I can wear it more. Okay, one more. Can I try the red one?
So this is the one I got, you guys. I can no longer wear this face mask. I'm about to pass out. I can't do it. Y'all, everybody here has a bike. Makes me want a bike too. So much, so bad. I'm definitely too. See you.
Tequila tasted, mommy?
No, thank you.
Free sip for tequila. Are you single?
All right, y'all. So we just sat down to eat. I don't think we even got our prices. Excuse me?
Which one? I have Fiji, I have Evian, and I have Cristal.
Fiji water?
3 small Fijis.
The Fiji water, I mean, it is. Fiji water is $75. You seen it? It's right here.
Oh, well, they can take that back. Yeah, Fiji water is $75 here in pesos.
So if 200 was $9, 100 is probably $4.50. So this is probably about $4, 3 something.
Okay, that's not bad.
3 something per bottle.
Yeah, they got hammocks over here. The food's over there where you can sit down and eat. We're still waiting on our food, so I just decided to come in the pool for a little bit. Nobody else really wanted to come. But we're going to the pool when we get back too, so. Yeah. So I wanted to tell y'all, like, when I say our resort freaking loves us, our resort loves us. They remember our names. They ask if we're gonna be back tomorrow, like what are we gonna be, where are we gonna be doing, and stuff like that. So it's really cool to be remembered. This is a vibe, you guys. Definitely, if you guys are looking for a trip out of the country, definitely go to Mexico. And if you go to Mexico, if you're looking for like a like the resort we're staying in is all adults. So if you're looking for an all adult relaxation resort, go to Unico. Amazing. The people are so nice. We're doing a spa tomorrow, so that'll be in this vlog too, if I'm allowed to record it. That'll be in this vlog. So everything is just so amazing, y'all. Go to Unico. Do y'all see this big old lizard? Did it run? It's right here. Look. Do y'all see it? Where'd it go? Right here. Y'all, this thing is humongous. Oh my God. Excuse me. Y'all, this thing is huge. Come get your lizard. No ketchup? You don't work here. Don't move that way. That thing is huge. Oh my gosh. No! Somebody come get it. Is it gone? He's laughing at it. Did that say Charlie's Angel?
Mexican boyfriend?
Ah! I am weak.
They said that on the way. Oh, he said it.
Charlie's Angels? Ah! That's my movie. He said, oh. Yeah, he wasn't trying to take our little tip. Thinking he too good. Our dollar is like $5 of theirs. Better take it. We're not about to give a US 20%. We're about to head back, y'all. So I will catch y'all when we get to the next activity.
Small guy.
Alright, you guys, so we had just left the boat. We are heading to our bus. Hopefully y'all can hear me. We're heading to our bus. And they're here waiting on us. I should have changed back into my clothes. But it's okay. Did y'all have fun? Yes. It was really fun. Thank you. Y'all see my glasses? It says Ray-Bans. I don't know if this is real though.
Let me say Ray-Ran.
No.
Ray ran away. No, it doesn't.
It says Ray-Ban.
It does.
And so they real?
I don't know.
Get back with y'all when we get back to the hotel. Do it with me, T. Do this. Pucker your lips.
She dropped her fingers.
Pucker your lips.
This is ugly.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is round 2 to 3. Everybody. Everybody.
I got you.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
This is fried ice cream, you guys. What's good, y'all? We're about to get a massage. We're about to get our robes and our shoes. Ikea. Yeah, so close. Well, I guess I'll get back with y'all when we're done. You guys, this massage was amazing. Alright, y'all. We about to go to the pool and chill. And I'm gonna catch y'all later. Do y'all see this bird? I left my tips upstairs, or I would definitely ask him if I can put it on my arm. Good morning, you guys. So it is, what's today? Friday? Yes, today is Friday. So today is the last day that we are here. Well, it's not the last day that we are here. Today is the day we are leaving. Yesterday was the last day that we are here. So I'm still kind of tired, y'all. So forgive me, I'm trying to wake up. My mom and my sister went downstairs to get breakfast. I just ordered some room service, so that should be here in about 20 minutes.